that time, because I was so young, I never heard the things that you said to me now and how much you appreciated me. Parang feeling ko, never na ibalik sa akin yung tears, yung feeling ko ng first love, yung talagang feeling ko, nilalagnat ako na bakit hindi niya ako tinatawagan. But that's the reason na I felt na I don't think it became us because I felt like parang for me, ako lang yung parang nung time na yun. So that's why whenever I'm being interviewed, I don't label it. I don't know if that's being defensive, but now that we're mature, what do you feel?
Siyempre pag bata ka, hindi mo naman alam kung paano mo i-express yung kung paano mo ibabalik. Kasi first girlfriend ko si Heart.
Ako talaga yung first
Ikaw
girlfriend
first
mo.
girlfriend
I was
ko.
not your first girlfriend.
You are.
No, may I remind you?
Na over the phone lang yun.
But it's still,
Let me explain.
I wanted yellow presto.
Let me
sige.
explain.
Or yellow.
Wala kasi akong idea kung paano mo maging boyfriend. So, syempre, before Heart, nag-beat kami ni Heart, I was 16, 15, ganyan. Pero before nun, syempre, lumalandi rin naman ako, lalaki ako eh. Pero dati kasi, over the phone, strict din parents ko, hindi ako nakakalabas. So, yun lang yung landi ko. Tapos, pag sinasagot na ako, natatakot na ako. Nung kami ni Heart talaga, yun yung talagang wala akong choice but to have her around, diba? So, nung naging kami, sobrang first time lahat. First time lahat nung pakiramdam. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ibabalik sa kanya. But actually, pagkikita namin, effortless kasi nga, para kaming ano eh.
May taping kami.
As in, Monday to Sunday, we're together. Sorry kung hindi ko nasasabi yun ng time na yun, but siguro yung first time
You have to look at
ko.
me when you say sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry kung hindi ko na nasabi yun, but syempre ngayon as we tumanda na tayo, nagkaroon na tayo ng kahit papaano siguro wisdom in our life. And dun ka nakakapag-look back and you appreciate those things. And sabi ko nga, sa lahat nung naging ex ko, kay Heart ako walang nasasabi. Wala akong masasabi kasi siya talagang very giving.
Aww.
Understanding,
Oo
thoughtful.
naman.
Siguro din yung scrapbook, 'di ba? Yan yung totoong kaya yun nagpahirap nung nawala eh. Yung pag nakikita mo yung scrapbook, ano niya yun eh. Feeling ko yun yung talagang
Language
tanim
of
niya
love
eh.
ko. Language
Tanim
of
niya yun eh, yung album talaga lahat,
At
every
inulit ko
detail.
yung natin, scrapbook ko, kaya hindi ko nadala.
Ako nga sabi ko, sinunog ko eh. Kasi siyempre sobrang sakit. Sinunog ko talagang ganyan, no?
Ako pinulit.
Sabi ko, okay na ako. Pagbalik ko sa kwarto, bakit hindi pa din?
May ganun ka?
May ganun ako.
Nagulat ako dun sa sinabi niya kasi if I would have known, then I would have stayed.
When it became officially hot, the love team, that's when we broke up, in a sense.
At our peak, no?
Oo, at our peak. So parang, ako kasi, tas ako nagka-non-showbiz boyfriend ako, na syempre dinadala ko sa taping kasi
Sakit eh.
ganti-gantihan lang naman.
Alam mo yung magaganda na pag-usapan natin. Yeah, but yeah, those are the memories na talaga when you look back. Ang genuine kasi nga.
But it was nice.
At saka wala talaga akong masasabi sa'yo, Hardy. As in talagang simula noon, siguro ako masasabi ko pang ako yung masama. Alam mo yun, ako yung masama in a way na,
Thank you naman.
hindi, totoo naman.
it's not
Masama in a way that,
No, but
nung
you were
time na
young.
yun, hindi kasi ako appreciative.
You
Diba?
were young.
I was really young.
He was young. He was
Playful.
so guwapo. He's still guwapo now. And talagang nagpababaliw sa kanya yung even older girls. And I get it. Lala mo yung Plantation Bay?
Naalala mo ba yun? Naalala mo ba yun? Sakto yung pasok mo kuya. Doon kami nag-part ways. Kasi we were love team for 3-4 years. Kasi I was young. Tapos parang dumating ako sa point na, ito na ba yun? Like, kami na ba talaga? Like, parang ito na ba yun?
He wanted space.
Wanted space. Tapos nang binigay niya, after a week, doon ko na-realize na hindi ko pala kaya. And then, yun yung biggest, ko talaga na turning point na nung ako na yung babalik, ayaw na niya.
Leave me alone!
Hindi niya na ako gusto maka-work. Iba na. And then after niyan, ginawa niya na yung panday. And then, I was on my own. Bumalik ako sa dancing ko nung time na yun. I went back to my dancing. Doon na nagsimula yung survival era ko. That I had to do everything to survive. It was really hard because yung rock mo before, wala na eh. Yun na yung love team ko na naging last love team ko. Kasi sabi ko, ayoko na. Because nung nakikita ko siya, hindi na pareho.
That really hit me a lot because more than anything, he was family to me. And if I had known that it was survival mode, I wouldn't allow somebody I grew up with and I loved so purely we would have helped each other the way he helped me in the beginning of my career. So, sobrang umiyak ako sa kotse actually after ng interview. Kaming lahat, nang-iyakan kami kasi hindi ko talaga akalain na sasabihin niya that he was in survival mode.
Kung iisipin ko yung magandang heart na memories ko, syempre kasi ako sumira, di ba? Aaminin ko na. Pasensya na po sa mga Joe Heart.
You're
Pasensya
my
na sa mga-
forever friend.
Pasensya na sa mga Joe Heart.